Alright, so the way you want to do this is on the driver's side, there's going to be a little sensor here. So to remove this, I saw someone that they removed it from here, but I just removed it from here. Just pulled it out. Be careful with it because it's fragile. Then the next thing you want to do is there's going to be 2 Allen key bolts in the back, right here, one right here, and one right here. You remove that, and then this whole thing comes out. Or wait, sorry. You have to remove this pin as well. And then once you do that, you put in the new brake pads. Make sure to clean this with the wire brush when it's touching metal on metal. I mean, you don't have to do it, but I suggest you do it if you not want to have squeaky brakes. Then you put it back together and voila, change your brakes.
And we're only gonna change the front ones because I only bought the front ones, and then once I know how to do them, I'll change the back ones.